Welcome. Today, we're introducing Codex Executor, a powerful tool designed to enhance your Roblox experience on iOS. Roblox is a popular online platform where you can create and play games made by other users. It offers endless possibilities for fun. Before we start, ensure your device is compatible with Codex Executor. Check that you're running iOS 12 or newer. Let's download Codex Executor. Open your browser and navigate to the official website. Follow the instructions to download the app. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up. It's quick and easy. To use Codex Executor, launch Roblox, choose your game, and open Codex Executor simultaneously. Here are some tips. Ensure your scripts are updated. Run the app in administrator mode, and double-check the script syntax. If you face issues, try restarting your device, reinstalling the app, or checking online forums for solutions. Always prioritize safety. Avoid using scripts that seem too good to be true, and never share your personal information. In conclusion, Codex Executor can significantly enhance your Roblox gaming experience. Have fun and stay safe.